Okay, so a lot of you have told me that you are stuck on this puzzle, moving Gus, and so I thought I would do a quick tutorial to show you how to do that. The first thing you want to pay attention to is on the left side of the screen here, you have a tutorial. There are 7 pages. You want to go through all 7 pages. They're going to help you. Okay, so we want to start there. Then in the middle here, this is where I will be dragging out blocks. And over here is my previews side. And I have the stage and I have my actor. So I can click on both of those. So right now the stage doesn't have any blocks. Gus, my actor, does. I'm going to click back to the stage. The first thing I notice over here is there is a video. So I'm going to watch that. So this shows me that Gus is moving. And then it says, in this project, you will move Gus up and down, left and right using your keyboard. Next. What makes Gus run? Gus has already been programmed to look like he's running. He is animated by the on-start code to the right, which is this yellow block. Try this code by pressing the play button. Gus should run in place. Press the red button when you're done. So here's the play button in the bottom right hand corner. And there I see Gus is running in place. And I press the stop button to make him stop. Okay, so I think that's all that was happening on this page. Now moving on to page 3. Make Gus run down. Program Gus to move towards the bottom of the screen when you press the down arrow on your keyboard. Number 1, drag this block to the coding area in the center of the screen. So I'm actually just going to pull it right out. Now, these are events. On start is one event. When down arrow pressed is another event. Number 2, drag these 2 blocks to the coding area. And they're actually going to connect with the down arrow block. Okay, next. Try moving Gus down. Test your code. Play your project and then press the down arrow key. Try it out. All right, I'm going to move my down arrow key. And there we go. Gus moves down the screen. It's exactly what I wanted to happen. And now I'm going to shrink the screen. There we go. So that worked. Make Gus move to the right. Now that Gus can move down, program him to move to the right. Drag these blocks to the coding area and connect them. They will move Gus to the right when you press the right arrow key. And so again, these are completely separate events. So I'm not really connecting them to anything. I'm going to drag this one out. And I'm going to drag this one out. Now I can press play. Now I can move Gus to the right. And I can move Gus down. But if I try to move him up and to the left, it doesn't work. We haven't programmed that yet. So I'm going to stop, click on next. Finish programming Gus. Gus needs to be able to move towards the left and the top of the screen as well. Add this code to finish programming Gus. So now I can simply just drag these out, find a spot on the screen, and if you see I have now a tool bar, I can move things down. And I can drag this one out. Next. Final touches. Test your code again. Gus should move in all 4 directions when you press the arrow keys. Try it out. Let's see. I'm going to the right, to the left, I'm going up, and I'm going down. I've now been able to move Gus in all 4 directions. Shrink the screen, and we have a bonus. Can you make Gus move faster around the screen? I'm going to let you try to figure that out.